Running a transport company and getting the most out of your trucks, drivers, and trailers can be quite challenging. Volvo Connect simplifies your everyday life. Whether you drive your own truck or manage a fleet of them, it gives you the tools needed to run a compliant and efficient transport operation. Volvo Connect gives you instant access to vehicle and driver data, where there's an option of various services tailored for your business, from service planning and workshop history to the performance of each of your drivers. All in one place, with one login and one view. Think of it as your digital home for a more profitable transport operation. Volvo Connect is also available as an app, giving you the power of Volvo Connect wherever you are. You can get access to the fleet management services that Volvo Trucks provides, like tachograph data for planning and the possibility to download and store the legal tacho files. You will also get powerful data related to vehicle and driver performance, as well as location data to optimize your routes. With quick and easy access to maps, vehicle status, and messages, for example, you will be able to keep track of all your trucks, trailers, and drivers in real time. This will reduce paperwork and let you stay one step ahead. Knowing the service status and planning for each of your trucks gives you the peace of mind to focus on other aspects of your operation. Volvo Connect keeps a record of your workshop history and notifies you well ahead of your next workshop visit. Access real-time data to keep track of safety, fuel consumption, and driver behavior. Powerful reports let you plan ahead and find profitability and efficiency gains. Real-time driver coaching is integrated into the truck to support and improve driver behavior. It all adds up to a more efficient and profitable daily operation. Volvo Connect is designed to empower you, giving you the access to industry-leading services when and where you need them. It's that simple. Your digital home for your transport operation.